You stand one step up. Yeah, perfect. There's this music company called Epidemic Sound where me and Mike and Hayden, we all got our music from them. They've flown Hayden out here to Sweden to create a video for their event. Literally 7 days ago he asked, do you guys want to go to Sweden? And we're like, I guess, I don't know. I still can't believe it. My brain hasn't adjusted yet. It's raining at the moment, and last time I was shooting in the rain was not good because my camera broke. So I hope my camera does not break today.
I actually have no idea where we're going, but we want to get some spiral staircase photos. Is that right, Mike?
Yeah, we want to get in the New York photo battle. I went to this spot and we're trying to get those sort of leading line shots today, but the only thing is we don't know where any of these spots are, do we? I'm getting so many big water drops.
Yeah,
just
right under. Yeah, let's get
I literally just got one here on my head. Is that legitimately in Stockholm?
Yeah, look at this as well.
Oh, we're definitely going
Novus
there.
Hotel. That's what it's called, Novus Hotel.
It's sensory overload. Whenever you travel, I feel like it takes a few days for it to actually sink in.
Yeah, because your brain's just trying to take all this new information in, and it's just overloading, so you can't even function properly. If you stand on the lower level here, it'll be you holding your camera out, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So you're focused on your camera, and then it'll be like that.
Then you can edit it inside the thing. Yeah, okay, done.
Something like that. You stand one step up. One more. Yeah, perfect. Alright, so that's the first photo shoot here in Sweden done. So with the first photo here, it's just that plain symmetrical shot, that everyone gets. You just line it up at the top of the staircase. There's nothing wrong with going to a spot and just taking the same photo that everyone else does, but I wanted to get a bit more creative. So the next photo I got was here with Mike. I just wanted to add sort of a human element to it, but once again, it was alright. And then with the next shot here, I got Hayden to hold his camera out because it's winding down. And then you have Hayden's camera in the middle of the frame. Those spirals actually draw your eye to the middle of the frame, which is called leading lines. If you're in a tunnel, that's leading lines. If you're on a bridge and the lines are sort of leading to the center of the photo, that's leading lines. That's a really good photography element that I love to use. After I got all those photos, we're sort of planning to leave. I remembered that I'd seen this thing on Instagram, and it's called not a GIF, a GIF? No, it's definitely a GIF. It's when you hold down your shutter and move around an object. I started off behind the staircase and I just moved my body and I just held down the shutter. It was going and as I was moving, it was just capturing those photos and capturing those frames. And then you just turn it into a video by putting all those into Premiere Pro and lining it up. That was the first time that I've ever done something like that. I definitely want to do more of those because they have such a cool outcome. If you did like today's video, remember to leave a like and help me out by hitting subscribe. And as always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.